Ansel is very hungry, but this market is confusing. Ansel needs food. In this video, you learn new words about street foods. Slow and easy. Stay with Ansel to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. Ansel walks in the market. He looks around. He holds his stomach. He wants some food. Ansel sees a bright stall. The food looks good. Maylin stands at the grill. She cooks the meat. Ansel waits. He is nervous. He wants to eat, but the menu is a big problem. Ansel looks at the menu. He does not understand. Maylin looks at him. She waits for his order. Maylin works fast. The fire is very hot. She holds many wooden sticks. She looks at Ansel. Ansel looks down. He does not know the words. Ansel points his finger. He chooses a big stick. Maylin shakes her head. She says no. Ansel feels scared. The market is very loud. Maylin points up. She wants his choice now. Ansel sits down. He eats the good meat. Maylin smiles at him. She cleans her table. He eats one stick, but he wants more food. Ansel hears a loud noise. He looks up. He stands up fast. He holds his empty plate. Maylin looks at the tray. She has only 3 sticks. Ansel leans on the table. He looks at Maylin. He opens his hand. He asks for food. Maylin holds a brush. She looks at the red powder. Ansel looks at the spice. He is very scared. Maylin stops the brush. She does not put the spice. Ansel holds the food and he is very happy. Maylin nods her head. She likes his choice. Ansel bows his head. He says, "Thank you." He has the food, but he needs to pay for it. Ansel looks at the empty tray. He stops. Maylin holds out her hand. She wants the money. Ansel reaches into his jacket. He looks for money. He feels scared. His pockets are empty. Then he finds a green bill. He holds the money. Mei Lin looks at the paper. She checks the money. Mei Lin takes the money. She smiles at Ansel. Ansel is very happy. He likes the good food. Ansel bows again. He turns to the street. Wait, before you go, 10 words from today, just for you. Jacket, jacket. Plate, plate. Fire, fire. Smoke, smoke. Water, water. Tray, tray. Money, money. Stick, stick. Light, light. Bowl, bowl. You listened. You learned. More stories every week. This is More Lingua, English. See you soon.